Trying Beloved Cheesecakes today, starting with peanut butter Butterfinger. The peanut butter on top is so good. I love that it's stuffed with Butterfingers inside. Key lime pies are my favorite. The flavor is spot on and the crust on the bottom is incredible. Salted caramel. I love the crushed Heath bars on top. Salted caramel drizzle is so good. And lastly, chocolate. It's really rich. It's not too sweet at all. It seems like there might be some dark chocolate and milk chocolate in this. The key lime and salted caramel were my favorite.